Right there.
Let me move. Hold up. There you go.
You can barely see them. They down in that wood down there, huh? Mike, you gonna drop that food?
I'm gonna put it up. Put it right there. They got turkeys in the building. Come on. Big old turkeys right here.
I love to see a big old turkey.
Shoot
him.
Hold on. I got it on my phone now. Hold up.
Nah, don't worry about doing all that, because I don't want you to mess your food up.
Nah, I ain't gonna mess it up though, but I got on my phone right here. I got right now. I video on my phone.
Big old turkey, shoot that motherfucker, there's your Thanksgiving dinner right there. Yeah.
I always talking about eating some shit. Damn.
Here you go and buy it out the stove. Big old turkey.
We're not supposed to eat meat. Y'all know that, don't you?
Nah, I'm supposed to eat only fish.
That's the only kind of meat. That vice versa. That's the only kind of meat we're supposed to eat. No lamb.
I'm trying to get it close.
I'm trying to film these deers.
See? That's what I seen today.
Just can't hardly see them deers. They way back there, though.
That's a turkey.
Them turkeys. I seen today. On the side right here.
That's a turkey.
They don't move in a minute. See, they move it.
Get that phone, Tristan. Put it up against my phone. Get my phone. I'm filming. Okay. Don't drop it. Just put it up. Turn it around so I can see it. You see the turkey?
Is that a turkey? Oh.
I don't see no damn turkey. I guess he left. He must have left. Okay, you can give it back to Lamar.
That's a big ass turkey. Yeah.
They're sitting on the rail.
Yeah. I seen him today.
But turkeys, how the hell a turkey fly? A turkey cannot fly.
I'm hot, y'all. I'm sitting in my husband's truck and I'm about to burn up. I got this mask on, my hair. I'm just tired. Listen, this is Annie Carruthers. I'm ready to go home. Peace and soul. Love y'all. Congratulations, April, on your marriage. Hi, Ray. Love you. Grandchildren. Tori. Tristan. Deuce. Family. Hi, Lamont. How we doing?
That's a rooster.
That's a rooster, auntie?
Yeah, that's a rooster. That's not a turkey.
That's a turkey, dog.
That ain't a turkey. That's a rooster or a chicken.
What y'all talking about? Give me the phone. Just give me the phone, Tristan. I can't see it. What y'all talking about? Turn it around. What is a rooster?
Oh, it ain't moving right now. You had it where it was moving. And you see it moving.
I don't see nothing moving. I see my phone moving.
On the rail.
I see it on the rail. I don't know what that is.
It ain't moving now.
Okay.
You had it where it was moving. How'd you get it moving like you were doing?
I feel on your phone right now, auntie.
Where it moves like
hey, Tristan. Tristan, come here. Hold my camera and film me.
Okay.
Act like Jason said, doom, doom. Hey, y'all, I'm just walking. And I'm just walking. He got me. You want to see more? Watch my channel, YouTube.